And them say, here comes trouble, here comes
Welcome back to the show. My name is Kruddy, and we're here at the National Stadium for the Boom Badda Dan competition. Shout out to Superior Parts. The Football Feva promotion was wonderful. You know, you guys gave away bikes. Now, let's show you two of those winners from the Football Feva promotion. Superior Parts always doing it real big. Check this out, everybody.
You not worry about them. I'm a little boy, me granny say fellow friend. Me born a Waterhouse and now I'm on the mountain. Me get my first girl when I was around 10. If you tell me about Karen, nobody tell me about then. Me enjoy me life party without end. Cause in the cemetery you know money don't spend. Not just another man that you feel know then. All the girls them where you're there with your fist study round them. This a one ya is G-rated. And the grabber too and the can't do without them.
Well, I know that I've won from the World Cup started, and it's going on to the four top team. So I know that I've won.
Which Superior Parts location did you make a purchase?
The one at the Park Road.
How long now have you been a customer at Superior Parts?
For quite a long time ago. Customer service are excellent, and the guys are good.
First, I win anything of major significance, you know. I bought some engine parts, you know. Rings, valve seals, main and conrod bearings, head gasket.
And what made you decide to enter the promotion?
Actually, one of the customer service reps came to me and said that, seeing that I've purchased those items, I stood a chance of winning if I want to fill out a farm or two. And I said, yeah man, okay, let me try it now.
How often do you shop at Superior Parts?
Boy, I have one little hole on there, so when I say hole, one little under where anything more on me just come as Superior, come look at it, because I know something I get it.
All right, now everybody, we bring you part 2 of the New York feature. You know, last week we showed you a little bit of Pree Dis in New York. Now this week we're going to Jamaica Avenue, we're going to Manhattan, we're going to show you some more. So right now, you enjoy this, I'll enjoy the Boom Badda Dan competition.
I'm not telling a lie, Jamaica Avenue pretty, but the name big. Everybody know about Jamaica Avenue. Inner Queens, NYC, we are do it, and a DJ Kenroy vibes. So forward now. I like her glasses, I'm trying her glasses. Might look this?
Shout out to my friend Carrie, Sharon, Cheryl, and big up Altia, and big up my family them in Hanover. And big up everybody uptown, Meadowbrook where I live.
Big up Kirky, Bless Barnett and Ricky, big up for themselves straight.
Big up my family them too. Roddy, Janet, Claudette, everybody. Tanya, hold tight.
Half a tree, downtown, who I got trees, who I got Queens trees, who I got downtown, half a tree. Big up driver.
I mean, big up the thing, God.
We're still in NYC and I'm in Queens, Jamaica Avenue, and we have an author of Son of a Snitch. So if you hear it, or the man this. Tell me about your book.
My book is called Son of a Snitch. It's about a snitch killer. The father was a snitch. The streets took it out on the son. The son rebelled and became a killer of snitches.
All right, NYC, yes. Every good thing comes to an end. You don't know, say DJ Kenroy another place. NYC, Jamaica, Queens. We're showing a piece of Jamaica, Queens and the stretch longer straight back, go down. But we're showing a little piece, you know what I mean? We sell some books. Well, try sell some books. Also, you know what I mean? We have a vibes on it. We do a little shopping now and then because it's cheaper to me up here. I don't know what to do down there, so, but it's cheaper to me up here. And I'm not telling a lie, Jamaica Queens, nice. I'm not telling a lie. NYC, nice. Vibes, nice. Them never get a better name. Jamaica Queens. Yard vibes, everything. Everybody I said Pree Dis and DJ Kenroy just going a piece of Jamaica Queens, NYC.
Right now it's all about the Boom Badda Dan competition right here at the National Stadium. My name is Kruddy. You're watching Pree Dis. We're going for a third and final commercial break. When we get back, we have the Festival Song competition and also the Pree Dis Top 10 chart. So keep it locked. We're soon forward.